Yo everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm continuing on with my top 5 lipsticks for brown skin series, and today's one is pink. So the first lipstick that I'm going to show you guys is from Urban Decay. It's from their Vice collection, and it's one of their comfort matte lipsticks in the shade Backtalk. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's one of their most popular shades, and that's the reason why they actually released the Backtalk palette, which I don't have, by the way. I'm not sure if I'm going to get it yet. Maybe, but I'm not sure just yet. I own so much makeup, and I just came back from New York recently with a whole load of new makeup, so I don't know if it's necessary just yet. Sorry about that noise. My door keeps slamming open and closed because I need to let some air in here. It's summer in April now in London. So anyway, so I absolutely love this. Firstly, the reason it's a comfort matte is because it is a matte lipstick, obviously, and it's very comfortable to wear on the lips. And because it is a matte lipstick, it also wears very well on the lips all day. You probably only need to touch it up once towards the end of the day. It's a beautiful pinky mauve shade. It's one of those lipsticks that is wearable for all skin tones, but on brown skin tones in particular, it's really one of those kind of nudie pink sort of lipsticks that looks really flattering to wear on a day-to-day basis. The next one is from MAC, and it is a cream sheen lipstick in the shade called Fanfare. Look how little it is. That is how much I have loved this over the years. It's a neutral toned pink, so it's not too blue and it's not too kind of yellowy as well. It's like a nice mixture in between. It's a cream sheen, meaning that it's got a very glossy finish, but it is one of those ones that you do have to top up a couple of times throughout the day because it does come off onto other things. This is another lipstick which is great to use for brown skins because it is a very natural kind of looking pink. It's one of those ones that is your lips but better, which is why it is a big favorite of mine. The next one is from Jeffree Star Cosmetics and is the shade Doll Parts. It's one of his only liquid lipsticks that I've ever bought another one of. That is how much I love it. This one has got a white cover because it actually came from one of his Christmas collections. I can't remember which one, maybe the year before last. It's a gorgeous cool toned pink, but it's quite vibrant. It's one of those ones which I wear when I want a full-on Barbie pink kind of look that day. So it's absolutely stunning. It's a velour liquid lipstick, meaning it's a matte liquid lipstick. It wears really nicely on the lips, and I think it would look gorgeous on brown skins. Particularly, it kind of brings out your tan if you've got one. So this is another firm favorite. The next one I'm going to show you is from Barry M Cosmetics, and this is one of their Matte Me Up lip kits, which means it comes with a liquid lipstick and a matching lip liner as well. If you guys have followed me for a while, you'll know that Barry M's liquid lipsticks are actually my favorite brand out of all the brands out there in terms of the quality and texture of their liquid lipsticks. I find them non-drying, very, very opaque, and very, very comfortable to wear. Not only to mention it's obviously a very affordable brand as it is a drugstore brand. Now it's called Runway Berry, but I don't really get berry vibes from it. This is how it looks. To me, it comes out as a very kind of a mixture in between a cool toned pink and kind of a neutral pink. So it looks gorgeous on a brown skin tones. It's got a really nice kind of fruity sort of smell as well. And I love the fact that it comes with a matching lip liner so that you can have very defined lips. And last but not least is from Too Faced. It's one of their melted matte liquefied matte long wear lipsticks, Bend and Snap. You guys know, if you are Legally Blonde fans, you would know the reference to Bend and Snap. It's the way that Elle gets the attention of guys by bending down and snapping herself back. Anyway, you need to watch Legally Blonde if you haven't seen it. I absolutely love it. And I love this shade. It's a very vibrant pink shade. I would definitely say it's like a raspberry pink shade. It's very, very intense and very bright. I love the way that it sits on the lips. It lasts all day long. It is obviously a matte liquid lipstick. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. I again tried to show a variety of different shades or tones within the one shade group, like I've done for all my other videos within this series as well. So we've gone from quite nudie kind of shades to then very intense and vibrant shades as well. So I hope you guys found this video useful. Like, comment, make sure you subscribe. On my lips I'm wearing Colourpop's Fresh Cut liquid lipstick, just an FYI. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye.